Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a fiery red hot look. Yes, your girl posted a question poll on her Instagram story yesterday and red got the most votes. And here you have it today. And if you're not already following the kid, make sure you are at Miss Imani E on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So a couple days ago, I went into Walmart and picked up a few or three Profusion palettes, but I like this one specifically because it's rubies. And so to get into that, the colors I used were Ruby, Auburn, and Rogue. And in my Nika K palette, I used the chocolate brown. First things first, I took the Auburn with a precision brush and I placed that in a crescent-like shape right on my lid at an angle. Then I took Ruby right on the outside of that and made that my transition shade. And then next, afterwards, I went into, like I said, the Nika K, and I got that chocolate brown and I put that just on the inside of that Auburn color just to deepen that reddish brown tone that I was trying to achieve. Afterwards, because I didn't want to make it a sharp cut crease, I wanted something soft. I went into Rogue back in the Rubies palette and I took one of those brushes that you normally find in makeup that's like, nobody really uses those brushes because they're kind of cheap. But in this case, it worked perfectly because it packed on the amount of color that I needed. And then every time you saw me go back into like a certain shade, is because I wanted that shade to stand out and have its own, you know, spotlight too. I didn't want it to get muddied in with the other colors. Once a step to the kid went ahead off camera and put on her lashes. Yes, these are my favorite freaking lashes. They're called Dubai. They're by Cosmetics. I have 3 different ones and they're like Bali, Dubai, and I think India. I think that was the other one I had. Of course, your girl already primed her face with Maybelline's Master Prime. And like I told you, I'm fitting this calamine lotion into my makeup regimen. It's freaking bomb. I cannot deny it. As far as my foundation goes, guys, you know my routine. Super Stay 30 Toffee Caramel, Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and it's in the shade Tan Deep Sand. And then, of course, you know the contour. I use my Black Radiance Beauty True Complexions palette, light to medium. And to set where it's wet, like we should, Air Spun Translucent Powder. Oh, and for my highlighter, guys, I went into my Shop Mills palette highlighter, and that was in the color Shot Clock. Freaking amazing, guys. Re-up. Get up. Get it. Yes. Don't forget, guys, all this stuff will be in my description box. So if you are interested in anything that I have, I will be putting what exactly I have down there in the description box. I always do. I mean, like, look at these colors, guys. How could you not be obsessed with these palettes? You guys are sleeping on Profusion if you're not already buying them. They're $5. And I think the ones I have were Neon, Emeralds, Rubies, and Spectrum. And oh my gosh, they're freaking amazing. For $5, get your money's worth.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What Juicy say?
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
I got just a regular brown lip liner. The thing is, it kind of came out kind of reddish tint, but I actually like it. Like, I like the matte look, but then I'm a glossy girl, so I had to add my gloss at the end. But please let me know in the comments whether you like the matte look or you like the glossy look. Either way, I feel like I slayed both. But this pretty much concludes this look, guys. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't. Ha, my bad. So I'm also using the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray to set my face. Of course, you know after any makeup, you gotta set your face. So that's exactly what I did. But now I can say it. So that pretty much concludes this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, be with me on this journey. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time.